Oh, chickens and turkeys are getting big, or bigger. You can see them in there. It's all our hatchlings from last month. See the three bigger ones than the game bird, and yeah, we got them in the yard exercise pen now. Well, we're going to move over and look. We got some hens sitting. We'll take a look at the garden. And I got another video segment I'm going to add on to this. Well, got sunflowers coming in. These ones aren't sitting, but you see the squash making. It's the yellow squash in there. These tomato plants, pepper plants are starting to grow. Oh, it looks like we got a volunteer corn or maize coming up past year. Okra's taking its time, but it likes it when it's hot to grow its best. Black-eyed peas and purple hulls, you see them. Purple hulls aren't as growing so quick as the black eyes, but you see over here we have two sitting hens, and then a rooster decided he's going to take up sitting too. You can see we harvested the corn over the the potatoes over the weekend. See our green beans, English peas, they're growing good. Getting tomatoes over here. This tomato plant, we're not sure what it is. It just come up volunteer. And then pepper plants here are growing good. Radishes, got a few ready to harvest. Brussels sprouts, they're starting to make. This cherry tomato doing pretty good. It's got a few on it. We got a few cucumbers, and I'll find one, show you. Sweet corn's starting to tassel out. It'll be making ears here before long. You see the beginnings of them. Bugs got her collard greens. We had to treat that. Rosebush is doing good. Celery starting to make. You can see a few stalks in there. Cucumbers. We're going to be pickling cucumbers in a few days. These tomato plants got some. These pepper plants, they need to hurry up and grow these bell peppers for the cucumbers. And you can see, if it focus, there we go. See a little bee in there doing its job. These tomato plants are doing good. We got a few pepper plants. Onions are doing real good. The duck's not loving life with the goat, but we couldn't leave him in with the hens, the chicken hens. Yeah, see these chickens, they're doing all right. But yeah, you see, you look right there, each leaf, you see that. Oh, you can see that one's already got the tassel, but you can see where it's starting to form the ears of sweet corn, which means by Father's Day we might have enough for a meal. Still got a few carrots growing. And we got strawberries there. Another type of pepper plants. I think these are called ornamental peppers there. But they're all starting to come in. And then, like I said, I have a video segment after we were done harvesting our potatoes and carrots and yellow squash that was ready that I had on here. Y'all have a good day. Well, let me show you this week's garden harvest. It's right there on the kitchen counter. We got the cucumbers making like crazy. We got some green beans. We got some yellow squash. Somewhere in here has some zucchini. And I got little Bossy telling me to feed him. So let me give him a spoonful of food real quick. Alright. Now that little Bossy and his mama got their food, there you go. I don't know if I showed y'all these. Some old light fixtures. Our house is an old house. We didn't have the light fixtures come with the house. Actually, doing some work for a woman. They want a drywall person. And I did the work and she wanted me to throw the lights away. And I was like, are you sure they're perfectly good? And she said, no, they're garbage. I was like, can I have them? She's like, yeah. Oh. Yeah, give me a sec. Now, we also got guineas. Now, let's see if I can find them. Oh, here they are. I see all 5 of them. There's 4 of them. There's the 5th one over there hiding. We had 6, but one of our cats got hungry and stole him. Bit of a stormy day here. So, there you go. The turkeys and the chickens, the juveniles, they're permanently in this cage until they get old enough for us to find them. So, y'all have a good day. Hope you enjoyed this video. No, I promised last week's, but added to another video segment. Having trouble. It keeps telling me when I try to add it together that the file is corrupted. So we'll see. But y'all have a good day.